Happy Coronacation Day, everybody. So I am not at work today. I took the day off, and I'm going to get going here on my brother-in-law's C10. Now, you guys might have seen some of the pictures before, some of the videos that we put up before of stripping the doors on this thing, and that'll give you an indication of what I've got coming up. As you can see, the rest of the cab, I'm trying to prolong. I do not want to dig into that. Please pray for me. It's going to suck. But we're going to get into it, and I need to see what all is up underneath on these bedsides. I'm hoping these are going to go smoother than what I'm going to have on the cab. So we've got a bunch of surface rust that's popping up. I don't know how many layers of paint or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and strip down and see what we can find. I've got my Raptor Vac set up here. I've got the mudhog with some 80 grit, and we're going to hook it up, do some video. Now let's get it down to bare metal, guys. Have you ever had to sand on something that acts like it's lacquered? Got that gummy feel to it? That's what this is sanding like. It's not lacquered, but it dang sure is feeling like it. It's it's an old school single stage. I'll tell you that. All right, so we are now pretty much stripped on this bedside. This is bedside 1, passenger side. I am not going to worry about hitting this edge right here because this damn thing's heavy and I'm not going to move it by myself. So all in all, it's actually in good shape. You can see where a bunch of stuff's been worked on over the years, but I mean, this is a 60s model truck. So I mean, I'd assume it's going to have some work done over the years. But here's the cool thing. Bottom of the bedsides, other than some still some rust down in there, it's not horrible. You can see all right through there. Oh, that looks good. All that cleaned up nice. And it's the same thing up here on this one. All in all, came out real nice. So got about an hour and a half roughly in this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these little spots dug out and find out what we're gonna do with it. One thing that I did notice is, let's see if we can get it right there. Yeah, there you go. You can see all that area right through there. It's taking a big hit there. We're gonna find out if we're gonna fix that or shave that and take it on to the next step. So cool deal, guys. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up, move on to the next one.